Hello, how you doing? Welcome back to How to Cook Great Food. On the menu today, I'm going to make a potato salad. Potatoes, tuna, egg, mayo, a few other little bits. Absolutely delicious. Another simple, very easy salad. Let's get on with it. Okay, let's jump in on this one, very easy. So I've got some potatoes here. What I've done is I've peeled them, boiled them in a little bit of salt water, cut them quite small. I've got 4 boiled eggs here, some green onions, spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them, mayonnaise, 1 can of tuna, some cheddar cheese grated. I'm going to be adding a little bit of chili powder, salt and pepper, that's it. Really beautiful. So my potatoes are in a mixing bowl. Green onions, you can use a red or just a regular onion if you want, a bit more sort of stronger flavour. Can of tuna. Some grated cheddar. A little bit of chili powder. I'm not going to put all this in, just a little couple of pinches. Don't want to overdo it. And then I've got some hard-boiled eggs. I'm just going to cut them in. Now obviously think about adding some other stuff that you like in there, cucumber, tomato, a fresh herb maybe, like a parsley or basil or something like that, some chopped olives, bell peppers, carrots, go any way you like. I'm just doing this little version today. 1 more egg to go. And again, with the amounts that I'm using, you can play around with this as well, can't you? Less or more, whatever you like. Black pepper. A little bit of salt. Then I'm going to go with some mayonnaise. Now I don't like to drown my salads in mayonnaise, so I don't put that much in. Going to give that a mix. See you in a minute. Okay, and there you go. I've just popped that on a bed of lettuce, some sliced tomatoes, a little tiny bit of chili powder on the top, and hit it with a bit more black pepper. Delicious, super easy. I hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Do give us a thumbs up, leave a comment and say hi. We'd like to hear from you. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.